Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can change the YouTube language and the country settings so that you can get altogether different options in different language. And also, if you notice that whenever I head over to youtube.com, as soon as I open this, the little icon says here premium PK. That means I am connected to Pakistan right now. So if you want to change this to whatever region you want, and the search should adjust accordingly, what we can do is just go to the top right hand corner on the profile icon itself, and here you can see the location. Right now we are connected to Pakistan. We want to change this, click on this, and here you will see a bunch of results wherever you want to connect. For example, we want to connect with Canada, so let's click on this, and then it is going to change everything for you. And right now you can see that my YouTube account is connected to Canada. So obviously it is going to show me still according to my interest as well, but most of the results are global now as well. As you can see, there are different channels that are from Canada or that have a global audience. Now let's talk about, let's say that we are connected to Canada, but we want to change the language to French. So again, we click on this icon right here, and we head over to the language section. So here's the language. Display language is set to English, but let's say we want to set it to French or something else. Let's say Francis Canada. We want to set it to that. And now you will notice that as soon as you refresh, you can see all of these menu options in the French language, and also all of these options as well. So we can easily identify and switch back to English whenever we want, because it is very simple to do. All you have to do is just click on the profile and click on the language settings, and you can easily identify it by icon. But let's just switch back to US, and that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.